Good Morning Primary School. It's Thursday, May 10th, and it's Day D. I'm Vivien.
And I'm Giada, and here are your morning announcements. Weekly house games today at morning recess on the covered course. We will be playing flag football.
MYP Production Canterbury Tales will premiere tonight, and we'll also have a show on tomorrow at 6 p.m. in the secondary theater. Tickets on sale at primary reception. 100,000 VND for adults, 50,000 for VND for students.
Under 11 football games are rescheduled for Monday.
Shout out loud and join Ishmik at the 5K Color Me Run 2018 this Saturday, May 12th. There is a special Ishmik discount code which can be found in My Ishmik.
Primary Readathon will continue until tomorrow.
The school has kindly provided reusable plastic cups in the canteen for students who had forgotten their water bottles. The message is written on the cups in clear reuse, use, wash, return. But unfortunately, students have been using the cups and returning them without washing them. Germs, or leaving them on tables and taking them away altogether. We have already lost 43 cups. Please follow the directions. Thank you.
Here is a message from EE about picking up your rubbish. Check it out.
Don't throw rubbish on the floor, please. Super Planet Get Rescue!
Makerspace is open to grades 4 and 5 today at morning recess.
Joke of the day. When is a noodle a fake?
When?
When it's in pasta.
Random fact of the day. 2014 was the world's warmest summer since records began.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Dr. Seuss.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a terrific Thursday.